Let me know what you guys think about this new filming area. Look at my setup is lit, guys. Shoot, shout out to Bae. You got your girl right up in here. Like my shit is, babe. Yeah. My setup is lit. Come see my setup.
Oh shit.
That's what I'm saying.
We active, huh?
We active like charcoal. Fuck.
Nails, hair, hips, heels, ass, fat, lips, real, purse, full, big bills, bitch, I'm a big deal.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a second review on the Fenty Eavesdrop Tinted Foundation. Hold on. The Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint. There you go. I already have a review on this tinted moisturizer already on my channel. I'll link that down below if you haven't seen it already. But after I did my review, I started watching other people's reviews, and I just kind of feel like I didn't really do this as much justice as I couldn't give it. So today I'm going to be using this once again, but I'm going to pair it with some of the other Fenty products like the concealers, the bronzers, and you know, the face powders, to kind of give it what it should be given, because I just feel like it didn't give me what I thought it was supposed to have gave, like it had given to the other people. You see what I'm saying? Before we get started, if you're not already a part of the family, please make sure that you hit subscribe below. We are growing rapidly, honestly. Well, rapidly, at least for my channel. And I appreciate everybody that comes, watches my videos, hits the like button, and subscribes, because it helps my channel. Like, it's such an exciting feeling, you know what I mean? That you're like, oh my god, the people like me, they really like me. All right guys, so without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, so I'm gonna start off by clipping my hair up, because that's what we do. All right, let's bring the cheetah clips back out. Let me know what you guys think about this new filming area. Look at my setup is lit, guys. Shoot, shout out to Bae. You got your girl right up in here. Like my shit is, babe. Yeah. My setup is lit. Come see my setup. I'm about to make him see all his hard work. Babe, where you at? You gotta come take a look at my setup. No. You need to come look over here. Come look inside the camera. Look at my setup. No, look at right here. No, look right here. Look at
Oh shit.
That's what I'm saying.
We active, huh?
We active. We active like charcoal. Fuck.
I'm happy you like it, babe.
Thanks, babe. You're the best. No, you don't try. You do. Period. I actually boxed everything back up because I was going to return it, but I just couldn't bring myself to returning a black owned product. Like, I really couldn't do it. So I'm going to start off by priming my face. I'm going to go in with the Fenty primer. All right, next I'm going to go in with the Eavesdrop Tinted Blur Moisturizer. And I am in the shade 19. And I'm just going to put this all over my face like I did the last time. And again, just like before, I'm going to use my fingers to rub it in. Alright guys, so next I'm going to go in with the Fenty concealers. I feel like I should maybe like use a beauty blender or something, but the last time I used a beauty blender in my first review, I feel like it was kind of moving the product. That's one thing that I noticed, is that when you put this product on, for some reason it is easily movable, and I just feel like I shouldn't mess with it too much, you know what I mean? So I used my hands, I warmed it up, I rubbed it into my skin, and I think that I'm just going to leave it like that and just go right in with my concealer. And we'll see how this works. Remember, we just trying shit out at this point because we don't know. We don't know. So I have two colors here. I have the color 380 and the color 390. 390 is more kind of like my shade, and 380 is more what I would use for like a highlighted looks. I'm gonna go in with 390 first to kind of give me that coverage, and then I'm gonna go in with 380 to kind of give me the brightness that I'm looking for. So okay, you could definitely use a lightly damped beauty blender. This one is super, super soft. This one from Urban Decay. I don't even know if they still have this, but if they do, I will link it down below. But I had to buy this with the sprays. This is like truly the best beauty blender I've ever used in my life. Okay, see, so I like that. I like what that just did. I like that coverage that just gave. Maybe I could zoom you guys in a little bit more. Come into my business. Oh, that's much better. Okay. Oh yeah, so you guys could wow, y'all are in my business right now, huh? How's it feel? All right, you see how my under eye looks? Wow, that is a face, guys. Oh my gosh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I definitely spoke too soon the first time around. I spoke too soon for sure. So now I'm gonna go in with 380 and kind of do like the whole highlighted face thing, you know how we do. Go back in with that same beauty blender and I'm gonna blend all of this out. Personally, I don't like my concealers to sit for too long because I'm not a professional. I just know how to make my face look good, really. But the whole letting it dry out and then trying to figure it out after that, no, I'd rather just add more product, so. Alright, so this is my concealer all blended in. When it comes to concealers, take your time and blend. Like, I'll blend forever if that's what it takes, because really give the product time to seep into your skin so that you don't really have the line of demarcation, because that's not cute. There's too many YouTube videos out there for us to still not be knowing how to blend in our concealer. Don't do that. Alright guys, so next I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation so I can set my whole face. I have it in the shade 400.
Hey, big face.
Wait.
Oh, you're filming.
We're filming.
Go, girl.
I'm going.
Hey, consistency.
Hey.
Here we are. Here we are.
That's right. Call me Mrs. Consistency.
Okay, girl. Let me not interrupt the creative genius.
Alright guys, so for reference, I am in the shade 410 for the Fenty Soft Matte Foundation. In the summertime, I kind of go up to 420, but again, my regular all the time shade is 410. So I picked up 400 because the lady at Sephora told me that it kind of gets darker, it oxidizes, so I decided to go with a shade a little bit lighter. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M457 brush. It's kind of like a stippling brush. It's super soft, and I'm gonna use this to apply this powder. Alright guys, so next I'm going to go in and set under my eyes. I typically don't put powder all over my face until I set under my eyes. I feel like with the Tinted Moisturizer, I should probably try to do things a little bit differently. So I'm going in with the Fenty setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to put that all over my little beauty blender finger sponge thing. I'm just gonna press it under my eyes. All right, guys, and with no extra product, I'm just gonna go right back in with that brush that had the foundation powder on it and just kind of lightly dust everywhere, because I don't want it to be too bright, because we're still supposed to have like a skin like tinted moisturizer look. So now I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I like a darker bronzer, but I haven't picked up the newest one that she has. That's a little bit too cool for me. I like a more of a warmer color. So I'm gonna go in with Coco Mami. Go in with the Morphe E59 brush and use that to put my bronzer on. Contour and put that into my crease. All right, so I am gonna go in with a MAC highlighter. This is in Gold Deposit. It's an oldie but a goodie. All right, I'm just gonna go in with this Sephora gift brush that I got a couple Christmases ago. All right, so highlight is on. At this point, I would say go ahead and do your liner and lashes. I have lash extensions, so that's one last step that I have to do. And you can also set your face. I'm not really big on setting my face. I know I personally just don't like it to look and feel too wet. It depends on where I'm going. It's still pretty cold outside, so for me, I don't really need to set my face when it's cold outside like that. Like, no. But if it was the summertime, set your face, because set your face. Next up, I'm just gonna go in with lips. I'm just gonna use a brown lip liner. Whatever brown lip liner that you guys have is perfectly okay to use. I'm gonna use the one from Juvia's Place in the color So Rare. And then for lips, I'm gonna go in with two Fenty lip colors. I'm gonna go in with this pink color called Ballerina Blackout. So we're gonna go in with this lipstick. It's pink. I haven't done pink in a long time, but this is definitely giving me like springy vibes. I don't have to wear a mask. I'm gonna go in with a lip gloss. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Lip Cream in Mauve Wives. Guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. So my final thoughts is I absolutely love it. I don't know what mood I was in the first time around I was doing it, but if you have perfect skin, you're not really used to seeing yourself glam like, then yes, my first video will work out perfect for you. But if you're somebody more like myself who's used to seeing themselves more glammed up, you know, maybe doesn't like a lot of heavy products on their face, but also wants to really look refreshed and dewy, this is definitely the video that you should have watched and you should be watching. I think my face looks very clean, very natural. I think I have a really natural dewy face. I'm actually taking engagement pictures soon, and this is kind of like the look I want to go for. Like, I feel like I've never seen my face look as natural as it does right now, which is definitely a good thing. Again, I had everything boxed up because I was ready to send it back because it wasn't really my thing, but I'm so glad that I saw other videos and I decided to give it another chance because I have to go grab another one. Like, this is definitely the summertime foundation that people should be using on their skin. It's so lightweight. I feel like I have nothing on my face. Wow. Like, and I look amazing. I look absolutely amazing, I think. So let me know what you guys think down below. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm at like 9:18 now. And remember, my last video, what I said I was at? I was like at like 9:10 or something like that. So again, y'all see the consistency. Y'all with it. Y'all with it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have this foundation. If you guys have any questions, leave it down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.